The loved ones of Bjorn Ellis are this evening demanding justice. The 30-year-old from burnt Savannah, Westmoreland was killed under controversial circumstances in the parish on Sunday. Details from Dwayne Anderson.
The scene of yet another police killing, this time along the Landdial Main Road in Westmoreland. The police say in relation to the incident on Sunday, they took evasive action and the man was shot after he attempted to use the car he was driving, mow down officers. The police say they were conducting a roadblock operation sometime after 11 p.m. Sunday when the attempt was made on their lives. But a woman who says she was in the car at the time of the incident is challenging the police's account.
So the allegation is that he was trying to run over the police. Are you saying that's a lie?
Yes, it's a lie.
So he complied?
Yes. When I say walk with a car, say that right there, so when I say they stop a vehicle stop. Why? And I like if a vehicle was moving, maybe we would have get shot too. Because the vehicle did stop.
The fatal gunshot of 3 reportedly fired hit the victim in the left eye. Not a fate she says her friend deserved. She explains he had no history of issues with the law, but was instead a helpful person who, prior to the incident on Sunday, spent hours helping another woman repair the roof of her business place.
Yeah, I want him to get justice because he didn't do anything wrong.
She says she has since been located by Indicom to give her a witness account as the commission advances its investigations. We understand the vehicle picked up a punctured tire minutes before and was traveling at a slow pace prior to the incident, a situation loved ones of the victim feels the police failed to understand and may have been spooked into thinking the driver is attempting a deadly maneuver to slow then speed off as the police officers approached. SSP Dobson is in charge of the Westmoreland Police, and while not commenting specifically on the incident, he made this appeal to motorists.
We have seen in recent times several motorists slowing down their vehicles when they are stopped by the police, then driving at high speed to frighten the police out of the road. It's a very dangerous practice, put the police life in danger, and also put the motorist life in danger. We have seen persons being killed in other divisions, St. James in particular. We have seen motorists hitting down police officers also in Westmoreland in the past. So we're just urging the individuals to comply and to stop this dangerous practice.
The high-ranking lawman is convinced a dancehall song is fueling the action of some motorists in some of the most recent cases.
We will not tolerate persons celebrating the musical input, hitting down police. It's a very dangerous practice that needs to stop and stop forward.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.